Okay, so hi, dear Capricorn. Very, very good evening. Sorry, good morning, good afternoon to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of this month, 2025 August. Yeah. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story, don't force yourself to fit into the reading. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Hmm. So the mutual energy, the overall energy for the connection right now for Cappies, Capricorn people is we have the Justice, the Seven of Cups, and the Three of Wands. Okay, so the clouds are getting clearer and clearer and clearer with each passing day. The confusion is going away, is fading away, and both of you are able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of you guys, with or without each other. It's like there were some kind of emotional confusing kind of things going on in the situation, emotionally confusing kind of things. Maybe you guys were not able to figure out whether you guys are good together or you guys should split apart. Maybe other people were also involved in the situation and you guys were not able to figure out what you guys should do. At least one of you was involved with other people, other energies too. Maybe not romantic ones, but the situation was affected by other people's energies as well, on a very, very deeper level. So, and things were super confusing, things were super chaotic. And now with each passing day, both of you are getting the justice, the balance in the situation, the clarity, the truth in the situation, and both of you are able to move forward. As of now, I do see its energy of moving forward individually, not together as of now. But both of you are able to see the clear picture of what happened and now what's happening and now next what's going to happen in the situation. I don't think it was a proper communication where both of you decided this is how it should go or something. But with time, you're gaining the clarity. With time, you're understanding everything, each and everything regarding this area of your life with this specific person or this specific energy. Okay. Now let's see the energies. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed and pick up your side. Okay. Hmm. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, the current feelings for you is a justice. Now they feel honest, now they feel things are going the way they should have like before. Now this person is feeling balanced, and now they're feeling they're getting the justice, or they're able to do the justice with the situation. It's like karmic balance kind of a thing. It's like they are feeling now karma is hitting them. Now karma is playing a big role in the situation. Now it can be in a negative way, it can be in a positive way, but this person is feeling like whatever happened happens for a very good reason, and now I understand that. As we go further, we will be able to understand more about it on a deeper level. From your side, the feelings in the situation or this person, I'm sorry, from your side, the feelings. We have the Four of Cups. We are quite disappointed when it comes to this relationship, this particular relationship. You might not be able to connect with anybody the way you were connected to this particular person. Although you are not feeling very good about the reconciliation or very hopeful or positive about the reconciliation part, you are not happy with other people, other options, or other things too. So it's like I know the truth about a situation and I miss the situation, but I'm not very sure whether I should let it go properly or I should think like I should try to make things work out, because the other person, the other energy is not there anymore the way they should. So one of you is feeling balanced and they're feeling like this is the karmic justice. The other person is feeling kind of upset about it, and they're not able to connect with anybody else, missing the other person here. This is what's happening in the feelings, game. Let's see what this person intentions are. What are their intentions in the situation between you and them, or about this connection? Page of Wands. Their intention here is to keep a happy-go-lucky, cordial kind of connection, friendship kind of bond, maybe starting the chapter all over again with you, but remaining friends. As of now, their intention is to just open up or keeping the gates of communication open with you, but they have this idea of just being remaining friends, maybe forever, and or starting from the friendship kind of a deal. This person wants a clean slate. This person doesn't want to talk to you about the past or about whatever went wrong or anything about it. I don't see this person is like trying to, run away from the accountability or anything. This person is like, I have gone through enough. I got my lessons. I know what I want. And I know how to handle things now in a better way. So I can be your friend again. We can start from the start. I don't know if it is for the time being or for the rest of your life, but this is what they want. This is what their intentions are. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation? The Wheel of Fortune. You just want to wait for the time when the tables are going to turn in your favor somehow, or fate is going to favor you, destiny is going to favor you. I think Capricorn, mostly you want to remain in the surrender mode, and you just want the universe to play its game so that everything is going to be the way it should be. Either it's going to evolve properly and or it's going to dissolve properly. So basically you want the tables to turn in your favor, whether it's about coming back together or it's about dissolving this connection completely and moving forward. You just want to wait for the right time for the things to shift in your direction. Okay, good. Tensions are good. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month. We have the Empress. Empress is the card of growth and expansion, and mostly about personal growth and expansion when it comes in the action part. Empress is not the card of taking action towards anybody else or anything else. Empress is the card of having a vision that it might happen someday, that there is going to be growth and expansion. But this is not the card of taking action in any direction as of now. So I think this person is going to remain open to the idea of communicating with you or being friends with you again. I don't see very high chances of communication from this person's side, but their energies are super open to connect. If you are going to connect, they might give you good answer or good vibes or good energies as a friend. Hmm? From your side, the action part is Five of Pentacles. From your side, you're like, I am already feeling so much defeated in my life. I'm not going to do anything about it. This person betrayed me. They did something really wrong with me. They did something horrible with me. Your mind is replaying the old stories again and again and again and again on repeat. Not about like not just about this person or this situation, about all the people, all the situations that you have gone through in your life before that also, before this situation also. So you are feeling so defeated by this whole love and relationship game that I don't see you taking any kind of action in any direction as of now. You are going to be like working on your own self to heal yourself properly, to get out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy and work on yourself. Hmm. Okay, I don't see any action. This person's energies are open and genuine, but I don't see them doing anything about it. Your energies are little stressed out, little in the energy of when I'm going to have good days in my life, and just focusing on yourself as of now. The possible outcome, the Ace of Cups. See, the possible outcome is still there are good chances of reconnection and maybe coming on the same page. But for that coming on the same page kind of thing, you guys have to open. You guys have to be open from both the sides, and at least one of you have to take the action. So I think Capricorn, if you feel like this person is good for you, their energies are good for you, especially if they're single and not connected to anybody else, you can give it a shot. You can give it a try if you feel like, only if you feel like. Because I do see chances of this brand new beginning, or at least this energy of having a cordial connection. I don't see full on reconciliation, but I do see in outcome there are chances of opening up properly to each other. Again, opening up the gates for entering in each other's life. Hmm. Up to you now what you want to do. For the guidance part, the Seven of Wands. See, you might be trying to protect yourself, and you should at any cost, but you don't have to be so much defensive towards everything or everyone that's coming in your life. Okay, it's like mm, before opening up to anything or anyone, whether it's past person or new person or anything, you just heal yourself properly, because right now also you are very defensive. Right now also you are in this mode of, I'm going to, just show them who I am. I'm going to fight for myself. I'm not going to let anybody enter in my space and ruin my life or something. For this energy of attracting love in your life, you have to be love first. You have to be in this vulnerable state where you are open to love, open to receive, open to give without fear, without this energy of trying to just protect yourself from being hurt again. Whenever we go in a relationship, romantic relationship, either it's all in and or it's all out. Whenever we are in the in between phase, we are not exactly in a relationship the way we should. So love and relationship is always a risky game, but the more we are going to go with open heart and this energy of not being dependent or not being attached to anything or anyone, not losing yourself in that game, you're good to go. For that, you have to be that person first, that energy first. So work on that until unless you're ready. Keep on working on that factor. Okay, let's see the final message for you guys from the Romance Angels Oracle cards to close this reading off. We have very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Right, Cappies? Clearly decide what you guys want so that it can come to you now. So you might be, even if you are open to the idea of connecting with somebody, maybe in a new person, past person, doesn't matter. You might not be able to like properly understand what you really, really want. I told you very honestly, right now you have to work on yourself so that you can be that energy that you want in your life. Okay, but decide clearly whether you want a new person, new energy, or whether you want to connect with somebody from your past. That's very, very important. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.